Good day to everyone. I am Dr Sreedevi T R. I am excited with my new venture of uploading videos regarding research methodology. Let me start with. My aim is to make research easy for those who find it difficult. It is essential for all researchers to understand research methodology. The word research, re means once more or again. Search means looks through or examine to find anything concealed. Thus, research is search for knowledge. It is rediscovering existing knowledge, validating the knowledge, and forms new knowledge and theory. Research contributes to the growth of the profession. Research refers to a process wherein activities are carried out systematically to find solutions to problems. Research is a process that is continuous one, systematic, well-defined. There is a definite set of steps, well-defined and sequenced steps. Research is an organized and systematic way of finding answers to questions or solutions to problems. Another definition of nursing research is it's a systematic inquiry that uses disciplined methods to answer questions or solve problems. When it comes to nursing research is a systematic inquiry designed to develop knowledge about issues of importance to the nursing profession, including nursing practice, education, administration, and informatics. Pollitt and Beck, 2004. Then, research methodology versus research methods. Methodology and methods, two terms used as synonyms. Methodology is a broader term. It is the study of research methods. It is a contextual framework for research. Comprises the theoretical analysis of the body of methods and principles associated with a branch of knowledge. Methods are set of specific techniques for selecting samples, measuring and observing them to get information, refining data, analyzing data, and reporting results. Methods are just tools used to select a research technique. Methodology is analysis of all the methods and procedures of the investigation. Methodology is in the initial stage of the research process, whereas methods are applied during the later stages of the research. Then coming to types of research. Based on the nature of data, the research can be classified as qualitative and quantitative. These are two different approaches, qualitative approach and quantitative approach. Quantitative research is based on measurements of data or amount, based on methodological principles of positivism. Positivists believe in reality. Reality exists. Researcher uses tools as questionnaire or equipment to collect data. Data is in the form of numbers. Quantitative researcher adheres to standards of strict research design. Statistical analysis is used in it. One example for quantitative study is duration of internet use in adolescents. Another example, health problems in children due to inactivity. Then qualitative research. Qualitative research is based on methodological principles of phenomenology, symbolic interactionism, aims at exploration of social world, phenomena related to quality or kind. Character, personality, and mankind are examples of variables used in qualitative research. In qualitative research, data is in the form of words, pictures, no statistical analysis. is used in qualitative research as we are not using numbers. One example, how sleep disturbance affects mood, or it can be mood disturbances can affect sleep. Then based on the application, it can be theoretical research, pure research, basic research, or fundamental research, or it can be called as armchair research because this research is mainly for knowledge production. So whatever knowledge is produced or knowledge is obtained can be used in other researches. Basic research helps in developing and testing theories and hypotheses. Example, developing a certain technique that can be applied to a particular situation. Then applied research. Applied research aims at solving specific problems. Types of applied research are action research, social impact studies, cost-benefit analysis, evaluation research, all are applied researches. In action research, application of fact findings to practical problem solving in a social situation. One example is market research, that is examining consumption pattern in a locality or society, that is for marketing campaign. Then based on objectives of the study, there are descriptive research, exploratory research, correlational research, and explanatory research. Descriptive research observe, describe, and document aspects of a situation as it naturally occurs. This is actually an ex post facto research. EXPOST-FACTO, ex post facto research. That is from after the fact. Researcher has no control over the variables, can only report what has happened or happening. An example, impact of COVID on health. Survey research, case study, correlational research, all are descriptive researches. Then exploratory research, conducted for a problem that has not been clearly defined or that has not been studied or that less is only known about that problem. It investigates the full nature of the problem. An example, role of media in adolescent behavior. Other examples, factors causing stress in patients, stress and personality. Correlational research, study on relationships among two or more variables. This can also be an ex post facto research because study has been conducted after variations in the independent variable have occurred. Example, height and weight. Correlation between height and weight, age and obesity, gender and obesity, obesity and hyperlipidemia, and so on. Explanatory research explains specific relationship among phenomena, often linked with theories, explain underlying causes and full nature of the phenomena. It is more depth than the exploratory research. Then comes analytical research. Based on that analytical research, historical research, philosophical research, and meta-analysis are there. Analytical research involves in-depth study and evaluation of available informations in an attempt to explain complex phenomena. Researcher uses facts or information already available and analyze these to make critical evaluation. Under analytical research, one is historical research. Historical research uses historical sources to study events of the past. It's a systematic collection and objective evaluation of data related to past occurrences. Philosophical research deals with understanding and assessment of human thought. Meta-analysis or research synthesis is analysis of reviews or publications. Again, based on time, it can be longitudinal research or cross-sectional research. In longitudinal research, research studies are done in samples at more than one point of study or occasion. Monitoring of the same event, individual or group, over a defined period of time. Example, trend studies, panel studies. In cross-sectional research, study of samples at one point in time or occasion. One example is quality of life of patients on hemodialysis. Then, according to the degree of manipulation, it can be experimental research, non-experimental research, and quasi-experimental research. In experimental research, there are three factors mainly depends on experimental research: manipulation, control, and randomization. So experimental method involves manipulation of variables to establish cause and effect relationship. So these key features of experimental method are controlled methods and randomization. These methods will be discussed in subsequent videos. And depending on the degree of manipulation, it can be quasi-experimental, and no manipulation, no control and randomization in non-experimental designs. These are all about research definition and types. My next video will be on differences between qualitative and quantitative research. Comments and suggestions are invited. Thank you.